So right now I am traveling in America, and in this video I arrived in Austin and met an amazing Indian family. How much gas it takes to go like to Dallas from
I'm actually flying to Dallas tomorrow.
Who showed me around the crazy rich lifestyle of millionaires in America. Like हम लोग गराज में गाड़ियाँ पार्क करते हैं. यहाँ पे गराज में बहुत आराम से एयरक्राफ्ट्स पार्क हो रखे हैं.
So it has aircraft inside. The next one has aircraft inside.
Look at this grass. It looks so much of luxury. नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल, स्वागत है आप लोगों का इस नवी वीडियो में. मैं अभी हूँ यार ऑस्टिन में. सो आई ट्रैवल्ड फ्रॉम डालास टू ऑस्टिन. इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो यू कैन वॉच दैट एंड वी आर फाइनली इन ऑस्टिन. गाइज, ऑस्टिन इज सो प्रिटी, इट्स सो ग्रीन. देर आर लाइक सो मेनी रिवर्स एंड लेक्स. द टाउन इज गिविंग सच अ ट्रैवल काइंड ऑफ वाइब्स. ठीक है. So I met one Indian via Instagram and they were like, okay, come over, I stay in Austin, so I'm staying with them. So first thing, look at this, it's so cool. So let me introduce you all to everybody here. Hello guys, what's up?
Hey, hello, how are you? By the way, this is not my car, it's my wife's car. She makes good money, so she bought this car.
Okay, wow, congratulations to her. So guys, maybe she'll come back tomorrow, so I'll be able to meet her. And what's your profession and your wife's profession in America?
So I'm an entrepreneur. I run bunch of, bunch of ideas I keep playing around with. So the current company I still tinkering with is called Posh,
Okay.
which is a marketplace of connecting pet groomers with pet owners.
So yeah, okay.
Yeah, so I do that. I also work as a product designer, so I design apps, websites, AI agents and things like that.
So it's like flexible. You do many stuff. Nice.
Yeah.
And
I mean, I'm always trying to create something, work on something new.
nice.
So yeah, try to keep myself active.
So yeah, bhai, that's our dream life, guys. Work from home and work from anywhere, any country, and just do whatever. Like kind of same profession. YouTube का भी same scene है. So, and it's my first time actually sitting in this car. I saw only in the videos, and wow. So look at this. So this car, it does everything on its own.
Yeah, it is self-driving right now. You can see it says self-driving here.
Uh-huh.
And yeah, it can drive itself. I'm just sitting here as a seat weight
Okay.
in a way, because I don't really touch the wheel or
Like
anything like
nothing.
that. I put the address, click on self-drive and just take me wherever I want to go.
Just go.
Yeah. So I mean, it improved a lot. Like I had my first Tesla 10 years ago in 2016.
Okay.
From then to now, it has improved a lot. But now it's like I'm very confident when I sit in the car. I don't really worry about what it would do.
Like it's
Yeah.
almost
So I can
perfect.
literally like not even care about what's happening.
Okay.
I can just trust the car to do what it's supposed to do. But
Okay.
back in the days when I first got the car, it used to make a lot of mistakes.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Over a period of time, I got like other Teslas, and there are a lot of times it makes mistakes.
Mistake, yeah.
But now it's at a point where you can just relax. I think in couple months or maybe a year or two, you will you'll actually. It's not like nobody is required to sit in this seat.
Okay.
They would even remove like the new cars are coming out for like cyber cab. They don't even have a steering wheel.
Yeah.
You just sit and go like a
And
lounge.
go.
You can have a big screen, watch Netflix.
Please tell us your YouTube channel also. What's the name?
What is the name? It's K Gang.
Karthik and the gang.
The-
It's evening time and let's go and explore the neighborhood. तो अभी हम इस कार्ट में हैं एंड यहाँ पे भाई नेबरहुड के अंदर गोल्फ कोर्स भी है. मतलब रिच लोगों का जो स्पोर्ट होता है वो yeah, I swear to God, I call it rich people game. Like,
Yeah, because it requires a lot of land and the
Yeah.
golf memberships are pretty expensive.
okay, yeah.
I'm not a member.
Uh-huh.
I'm just living in a golf course community.
We also have this drone. It's of Karthik. And I heard about it. I've never used it. I have never tried this drone. So today we are going to try this also. And ये देखिए भाई आप लोग. imagine the neighborhood, like how crazy is that? You have like resort kind of houses here. It's all clean, well maintained, roads are good, and your kids can go out. And we even have deers here. यहाँ पे wildlife भी है, a lot, yeah. This is like the water area to chill around near the golf course, and this is the ball. So this is one of the sports that I don't think I will ever be able to learn, because when I see the videos it's fun, it looks good, but at the same time it doesn't look so interesting for me. It never attracted me. But look at this golf course, कितना फाइन है भाई ये. दिस ग्रास इज लाइक सो फाइन. सो जो जगह है इसका जो कोर्स होता है, दैट इज लाइक टू मच लग्जरी मैन. लुक एट दिस ग्रास, इट लुक्स लाइक सो मच ऑफ लग्जरी. ये घास ही लग्जरी लग रहा है यहाँ पे. दिस इज जस्ट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द वीडियो. ओके, दिस इज जस्ट द बिगिनिंग. आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू समथिंग that is like my own favorite thing that have like attracted me so much. I saw yesterday already, but I'm going to show you today. Finally we are at that place which I really wanted to show everybody. Okay, and it's my first time. I have always seen that in the video or in the travel films in like Papua, Australia, America, and those Fiji kind of islands in the Pacific, right? But this is my first time seeing in the real life. So this is like a gas station right here, and then we have a big parking area here. This is like the air park they call in America, and look at this, bro. Look at this. This is crazy. So this is how $1 million lifestyle looks like in USA. Bhai, this is crazy. So many people in this neighborhood, they have their own aircrafts, and this is like a dream for me. This is something that I really enjoy. I'm so attracted to flying universe. I was studying aerospace engineering in university, which I dropped out. So after 1 year I dropped out of my course, and this is something I really like. Okay, hi, look at this. People have their own aircrafts here, and this is so normal. Like in America, this is so normal, and I think even in Australia, if I'm not wrong. Look at all these flights. Like there are so many. Bhai, this is crazy. I would like to have this one day, but in India it's so difficult. Look at this. Whoa. Next time if any Indian have these flights and they want to invite me to take me around, to fly me around in America or Australia, please DM me or email me. I will come by especially. Wow. We are in the air park, guys. And पता है यहाँ पे like if these people they want to like fly to Dallas or San Antonio nearby town, they just fly. They just inform via radio that we are taking off, blah blah blah, and they just go. There is like no security, no control. This is used as a transport, like car, like bike. You know, it's as normal as that. Bhai, look at this. I really want to touch it. I know this is not mine and I should not touch it, but let me just touch it. Bro, this is crazy. देखिए आप लोग. Wow. So at least 4 people. You can put your luggage, and on this flight you can take like 1, 2, 3 people and 1 pilot. Oh my god. So guys, this is the lifestyle in this area in America. I hope you guys really liked this video. For me this was so much fun. And this is so cool, to be honest. This is great. Guys, we found one aircraft and we have a pilot here, so the doors are open to see a little bit. Crazy. Look at this, man, from inside. Wow. So it can fit like 4 people, and he told me like they designed it themselves. It's like a custom made kind of thing. So I couldn't understand like too much in advance, like properly, because I left reading or study about this like since long time, and it's been few years I've not gotten back to this. And look at this, bro. This is crazy. So cool. Wow. So wow. How much gas it takes to go like to Dallas?
So I'm actually flying to Dallas tomorrow.
Wow, so
This
cool.
plane will get it there in about 45-50 minutes, and at altitude, like leaned out, it burns about 10.5 to 11 an
Okay.
hour. So all in with takeoff, probably around 13-14 gallons
Okay.
times whatever that says, $6.16. That's about the cost to get there. Yeah.
Yeah, I saw before it was like $6 something. तो गाइज हम लोग एयरपोर्ट से, ठीक है, एयर पार्क वो रहा, बाहर आए हैं, एंड ये लोग अपने घर पे पार्किंग करते हैं, ठीक है. दिस इज लाइक अ हैंगर. ओके.
Aircraft hangar. So people who live here,
Yeah.
they have their own aircrafts. So all
Wow.
around, all those houses also,
Yeah.
they have small aircrafts parked.
Wow, guys.
So this one has an aircraft inside.
This one also, right?
Yeah, the white garage, it
Yeah.
has aircraft inside. The next one has aircraft inside.
Wow.
So all these guys, yeah. So this guy has a huge one.
This one?
Yeah, this one is a proper jet. And these are all hangars too, private
Private
hangars.
people have.
Where they don't want to park it like that, maybe costlier ones go inside.
Okay.
Yeah, those are all like with air conditioning and everything.
वाओ. सो गाइस, लाइक हम लोग गराज में गाड़ियां पार्क करते हैं. यहाँ पे गराज में बहुत आराम से एयरक्राफ्ट्स पार्क हो रखे हैं.
So he comes out from here, goes to the airport, and
And
goes
just
to the
fly.
runway.
Yeah.
Just fly.
Great.
Like if we come weekend, we keep the garage open.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see.
And first we saw the aircrafts, now we are seeing these boats or yachts. You can see it. Bhai, this is like owned by people, ठीक है? Then they rent it or they use it themselves, and they just move around in this river in Austin. So we are in the Lakeway area. And see, there are like so many. This is giving even vibes of Dubai to me at some level. And see, this is Colorado River in Austin. So people just move around in these boats. मतलब भाई गजब. Just for holiday and for enjoy, people have all these yachts and boats. Crazy. I mean, I like boats also, but I would definitely buy the aircraft before the boat.
These are special ones. These are sailboats.
These are sailboats, yeah.
You see, there's a sail here,
It can, yeah,
and they launch it once they go.
and they can go long way in this.
Yeah, this one goes onto the ocean too.
Yeah,
But very difficult to, maneuver it if you don't know how to,
mm-hmm.
because it uses a lot of wind energy.
True.
And these ones, they use water to lift them up.
Okay.
Once they remove the water from there, it will go down. The boat will go down to the water.
Oh, okay.
So it's like a whole system. Hydro hoist. boat lifts.
Yeah.
Cool,
Guys, there are
somebody-
like different kinds of boats here, not the
Yeah,
same.
look at that. Somebody put a lounge here, just sit and chill.
Just to sit
Their
here.
own like patio.
यहाँ पे बहुत नॉर्मल है, ठीक है, लाइक वी आर वॉकिंग जस्ट नॉर्मली इन दिस लाइक millions of dollars of area, ठीक है, neighborhood, like I mean it's just very normal. I don't know how to explain this. Like in Dubai, you know, it's very brand washing and कि भाई ऐसा ही होता है, सेलिब्रिटी, बॉलीवुड वाइब्स, रियल एस्टेट. यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, ठीक है. दिस इज़ लाइक ओके, जस्ट बी, दैट्स इट. तो देन आई लाइक इट्स फाइन, इफ इट्स नॉर्मल इट्स फाइन. दुबई का तो बहुत यार अजीब सा ही सिस्टम चलता है, मतलब वहाँ पे तो अलग है. और दैट्स इट. कोई कुछ नहीं बोल रहा आपको, आप घूमते रहो, सब बढ़िया.
Yeah, there's no security, nothing.
Like nothing.
They
Like
might have cameras and stuff. That also I don't see any.
No.
Yeah, maybe they have.
yeah, camera is okay. We are like
Yeah, but nobody
2026. मतलब कोई इसको फालतू का प्रमोट है, आपको कोई मक्खन नहीं मार रहा, ठीक है. आप अपनी मर्जी से जो करना है करो. तो ये सिस्टम मतलब ठीक है, बढ़िया है. वाओ.
Yeah.
इसको भाई कोलोराडो रिवर बोलते हैं यहाँ पे. दिस इज कोलोराडो रिवर.
And this is filled up for the first time in 15 years or something like that.
लाइक
So usually it's not this full. It's actually lower.
द वाटर लेवल.
Water level is lower usually, but just couple weeks ago it filled up. So
बारिश
it came
हुआ
at the
था
right
क्या?
time. Huh?
बारिश हुआ था.
Yeah.
ओके.
From yeah, upstream there are a lot of water that came.
सी.
And look at all those houses. They have like their own docks. See
Yeah.
those small structures, right? That
See.
belong to that house.
See, private parking, guys.
Yeah,
Every
they come
house
down and
have.
take their boat and go.
Crazy. Nice. And that side is like self-owned, private, different kinds of boat and stuff. Bhai, everything from house to car to garage for airplanes to air park where you can fly private. भाई चार्टर्ड फ्लाइट, ठीक है, लोगों के पास अपनी फ्लाइट है एंड बहुत नॉर्मल है, किसी की मिन्नतें नहीं करनी. यू कैन जस्ट गो एंड फ्लाई प्राइवेट. हाउ डिफिकल्ट इज टू गो चार्टर फ्लाइट इन इंडिया?
I don't know.
Yo.
Maybe lot
Like,
difficult than here. Here
yeah.
it's very easy.
It's very easy.
Like there are a lot of like there is a Facebook group. We
And you
can
just
join
message,
there
yeah.
and tell like, hey, I want to travel to Houston from here. Anybody available? They would say, okay, I have a flight. I have an aircraft. Pay me whatever. I'll take you there.
I'll take you, yeah.
Yeah.
Bro, imagine in India we have to find like 10 travel
So
agent.
there's no like security. You just walk in, get into your flight, leave.
Like nobody checks on you.
Yeah, there's nobody there, right? When you walk.
Yeah,
Like,
it
can
was
you
like,
imagine going into airport like that and walk around?
in India, no.
Yeah, there's no way.
Wow. Even if I find an agent, he will make me sign 10 papers.
Yeah, of course. No, don't touch anything. Don't
Yeah.
be closer.
So guys, this is life in Austin, and Karthik is actually living here. He lives
I mean,
here.
generally, American people expect you to follow the rules.
Uh-huh.
They don't expect you to jump on their aircraft and break things.
Yeah.
So you also need to
Respect that.
respect that and make sure that you
Hmm.
don't like I've seen some Indians where they put their kids on the aircraft on the wings
Really?
for a photo. Those are not good things, right?
Really?
So then they do it because it's like see people
That's
who
good.
live here then they understand.
Uh-huh.
It's like you respect.
Uh-huh.
It's a private property and things like that.
Yeah.
But let's say somebody's visiting from some other town.
First
they
time.
they never seen like aircrafts like that,
Mm.
so they get excited.
I came to America from Mexico via land border, and it's my first time to see the airport in this country. हाँ, मैंने अभी तक एयरपोर्ट नहीं देखा है भाई. So let's go. And please tell us your YouTube channel also. What's the name?
What is the name? It's K Gang.
Karthik and the gang. K?
It's at K Gang, I guess.
Okay guys, I'll put in the description the link. You can check it out. They make so cool family videos, travel videos. It's so cool. Guys, good morning. Say something. But these guys, they talk to me, but when the camera is on, they are shy. Say good morning.
Good morning.
All good? So we are just going now.
I think
for
it's
lunch.
@K Gang. So I got a cool username.
Okay, wow.
Look at that.